So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. I got the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami. I got one thing from the collection. I wasn't gonna buy a purse. I had a few in my cart and I was so tempted to, but I just I couldn't justify it. It was just too much. So I got a little small thing. And I've been hesitating to open it because I'm like, I don't know if I should keep it or what, but I probably will. So it has the special packaging. Look at the little, I think that's Vivian. So cute. And then I don't pull off the ribbons because I like to keep them on, and I put the boxes in my closet because I'm one of those girls. But the multicolor wrapping paper. And I got the pink cherry blossom bandeau. It's so pretty. So it looks like the cherry blossoms are only on one side and then the other side doesn't have it. I think, yeah, there's like one. I think it's the same design as the brown one. I wanted the pink one because I've always wanted the little pink pochette that Regina has in Mean Girls, and so this is as close as I was gonna get. I know they had the pochette. I still couldn't justify. I think it was like $2,000 for that. Maybe I'll buy one vintage a lot later on, but I just couldn't justify the purse right now. So I'm gonna put this on my on the go. I forgot how to tie them, but oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, that's it. Bye.